Hello guys, it's me again. So I'm doing the Roses coaster in hard mold. I mix all my resin and I am using resin from Addiction, epoxy resin. So using this one, and I have mixed um, in this one I have mixed the red dye from Addiction as well. Mix this one in some resin. I have mixed my white paste as well, and I have put this one, it's a rose shape under this mold, all molds. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do, I am just going to give shape with my white resin and using this one in the middle, and around it will be clear. Well, let's see how it goes. So the first one, I'm not putting anything in the center, or shall I? Or maybe get something to put in the center. Maybe get some the flax. Yeah, get some of these flax to put, gold flax to put in the middle. I'll do this one later on. So what I do first, I'm just putting around, just like this, just clear resin. Just putting in a hard, oops, I put quite a lot there. Just need a little bit more there. That's it. This is a lovely stir from Addiction as well. I've got in a kit. This is really nicely come off as well when you try to peel off once it's dry. So in the middle is going the dye red resin, just like this. It's resin dye, so it's not opaque, it's transparent. But you can use a transfer, but it will get heavy otherwise. I just wanted to float it and my pigment, white pigment, to go down, sink on the bottom. That's why I wanted to do this way. So this resin got 40 minutes working time. So I have mixed like just 35 minutes ago I have mixed it. So I'm hoping to start thicken up. Just move this one out of the way, because when I use this one I like to get warm so it doesn't blend too much. So if you start putting quickly, it will go inward. So before I do that one, just going to put some gold flag. Didn't think about it putting in, but just thought maybe worth having it. Let's just check this one is warming up. Yeah. Still need a couple more minutes to warm up, so I just wait a couple more minutes and then I start putting in. So it started warming up now, and I have give a heat gun to get rid of the bubbles. The bubbles are popped as well. Just pushing this one a little bit in before I start. So I'm just going over the line I have got there, just like this. Okay, I think it's working. You can see it's blending a little bit, and this is how I want it, and I'm hoping it just turns out the way I want. Other side it looks 3D roses effect. So thank you guys for watching, and we will demold it tomorrow and see how it goes. Thank you. So here next day it's time to reveal other side how it looks. So on the top it looks like this. Let's demold it. So this is how it looks. Does look like a rose. So this is on top, and that's what so it didn't go all the way through, but still makes like rose shape. That's the bottom. I think I waited I just needed to I didn't need to wait that long. If I have done a few minutes earlier, I would have those all lines properly, the white one. But this, it shows it does work. So that's the top. And the star is beautiful, Rose. Love this one. So, oops. So it's done, and what I do, I will do the coat one other layer of resin, clear coat, and then it will be ready. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. So this was my Valentine first pour. I done roses in this in a heart shape, so and, we do something different next time. So thank you and bye for now.